Introducing the Stratasys J5 MediJet, the all-in-one medical printer certified for hospitals, academic medical centers, and medical device makers. Serve more departments with brilliantly vivid, multi-material, and multicolor medical models, all from a printer compact enough for any lab space and with a low upfront investment. Optimize surgical planning with visually customized, physically accurate, sterilizable, and biocompatible models based on patient scans. Enhance hands-on training in the classroom or in the field with product demonstrations, using models that replicate the disease state you're intending to treat. Personalize surgical kits to patient anatomy with precision drilling and cutting guides, all made of strong, biocompatible, and sterilizable materials. And accelerate product development with consistent, high-fidelity samples. Our solution is 510(k) FDA cleared with leading segmentation software, and customizing models is easier than ever with our GrabCAD print software. The J5 MediJet all-in-one medical printer, the new standard for medical printing.